Just a small mistake spoils your sugar reading by 40 points. And almost every diabetic is making this mistake. You check your sugar every day. Sometimes your sugar level is very high and sometimes it is very low. You don't know what to do with the medicine. Either take more or less or don't take it all. Sugar can be high or low due to many reasons. Let's discuss one by one. When you eat something sweet, Sometimes you eat a sweet fruit, and then you forget to wash your hands, and then you check your sugar. Then your sugar level can increase. This is called pseudo-hyperglycemia. Whenever you check your sugar, wash your hands well with soap and water. Let your hands dry. Then you check your sugar using alcohol wipes. Yes, if your finger is wet after using alcohol wipes, and you check your sugar immediately, then your sugar can go up or down from 10 to 40 points. And some wipes have glycerin. Glycerin is a sweet thing, which increases sugar. Always use those alcohol wipes, in which there is no glycerin. After using alcohol wipes, let your finger dry for a while. Never go to this mistake. Using expired strips. Yes, whenever you use strips, do check the date of expiry. Using expired strips, the reading of sugar will be completely wrong. You have come from the heat. You have come from the hot water. Your hands are very cold. You have taken the strips from a cold place, like you have taken it from the fridge. Even then, the reading of sugar can go up or down from 10 to 40 points. So before checking your sugar, let your strips and body temperature be normal. Using Panadol or vitamin C supplement. These two things can increase your blood sugar. Vitamin C supplement can increase your blood sugar from 30 to 50 milligrams. Whenever you check your sugar, don't take any multivitamin, especially vitamin C. Pressing your finger too much. By pressing your finger too much, interstitial fluid mixes with blood, which can reduce your blood sugar by 50 points. So whenever you prick, let the blood drop naturally. Using different fingers. To check your blood sugar, use your ring finger or middle finger. Don't check your blood sugar at the right time. If you check your blood sugar immediately after eating, your blood sugar will increase a lot. If you want to check your blood sugar after eating, then wait for 2 hours. Check your blood sugar after 2 hours. Then your post-prandial blood sugar will increase. Next, an important mistake. Having coffee and stress. Coffee and stress increases cortisol and adrenaline. These two things increase your blood sugar a lot. When you are stressed or when you have coffee, don't check your blood sugar. Lack of water. Dehydration can increase your blood sugar by 10 to 15 points. If you lack of salt, like magnesium and potassium, then your blood sugar will decrease. These are the common mistakes, which a lot of people are doing. If you're doing any of these mistakes, then do check your blood sugar, because if you correct your mistakes, then only you can reverse your blood sugar, and that too without medicines. Use low-carb, ketogenic diet, intermittent fasting. Eat at least twice a day. Keep carbs very less. In a few months, your insulin resistance will start reversing, and your blood sugar will start to control, and you'll get rid of your medicines. And to fast this process, do add these things. If your fasting sugar is increasing, then go for a walk. Take at least 8 hours of good sleep. Keep less stress, and take sunlight for a while. If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.